Part 4. Embolism. This covers our NMC Competency PA 6.5. What is the definition? An embolus is a detached intravascular solid, liquid or gaseous mass that is carried by the blood to a site distant from its point of origin. 99% are thromboembolism. Pulmonary embolism. Origin. 95% of pulmonary embolism come from deep vein thrombosis or DVT in the legs, in popliteal, femoral or iliac veins. Pathway. The thrombus travels from leg vein to inferior vena cava, to right atrium, then to right ventricle, and finally to pulmonary artery. The consequence depends on the size. It could be saddle embolus. It blocks the bifurcation of the main pulmonary artery. It causes sudden death due to acute cor pulmonale or right heart failure. Or pulmonary embolism could result in small emboli. They may cause pulmonary infarction or hypertension over time. Let's integrate this vertically with surgery or orthopedics. This is why we encourage early ambulation after surgery to prevent stasis, which could lead to DVT and finally to pulmonary embolism. Other types of embolisms are fat embolism, air embolism, amniotic fluid embolism. The fat embolism is seen 1 to 3 days after long bone fractures, example femur. The features are rash, dyspnea, and confusion. In air embolism, the bends occur. For example, in decompression sickness in deep sea divers. It occurs due to nitrogen bubbles. Amniotic fluid embolism is a complication of labor. The key findings are fetal squamous cells in maternal pulmonary vessels. This leads to high mortality.